Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to delete absolutely all posts on your Facebook. It can be done in just a couple minutes. Watch and repeat after me. First of all, you just go to your profile. Then you click on the menu. Then you click on Account. Then you click on the three dots. Here you click on Activity Log. Here you click on your activity across Facebook. Then you click on Posts, and you click on your Posts, Check-ins, Photos, and Videos. Click on that, and then you'll see a search for all your posts. To delete all posts, you click on All. Highlight all posts, and click on Trash. Then you can click Trash. You click Continue. And here you can see a list of all the deleted posts, and you can delete them all. Simple and quick, we deleted all the Facebook posts. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.